Hey everyone! Today we're going over how to hard reset your Hisense U3120G Soundbar. If your soundbar is acting up, whether it's not connecting, glitching, or just not sounding right, this quick reset might be all you need. Let's dive in and get it working properly again. You might be wondering, why even do a reset? Well, if your soundbar isn't connecting to Wi-Fi, struggling with Bluetooth pairing, or just acting weird in general, a full reset usually clears it right up. It's also really handy if you're moving it to a new space, giving it to someone else, or simply want to start fresh with factory settings. Here's how to do it. First, make sure your soundbar is powered on and in its normal operating mode. Basically, it just needs to be in its standard working state. Once that's confirmed, you can either use the buttons on the soundbar itself or the remote. Press and hold the standby button for about 5 seconds. Keep an eye on the display. You'll see the word reset flash briefly. That's your confirmation that the reset is happening. After that, the soundbar will go quiet for a few seconds while it completes the reset process. Don't worry, this is normal. Once it finishes, your soundbar is back to its original factory settings. It's like taking it out of the box for the very first time. Now, after the reset, you'll need to pair your devices again, set up Wi-Fi if you were using it, and reconfigure any other settings you had before. It might seem like a few extra steps, but it's worth it because this simple reset usually clears up the majority of annoying issues. And that's it. A quick hard reset can fix connectivity problems, get glitches, or just give you a fresh start with your Hisense U3120G soundbar. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your soundbar working like new. Happy Hisense using.